Prop Dylan. Sometimes it's hard to be dealing with the stress. The way I live it, it's not politically correct, but an image and picture is so vivid in my head. How my life should be, and it's bigger than the rest. 9 to 5, I started with this rap shit and growing strong. In and out of the lab, just to go beyond. The flow is strong with the backbone of my mother, constantly touring until I'm back home undercover. Until I'm thrown back, reality bites. But shit changes when I'm live on a Saturday night. Never an average tight when I grab it in mic, making sure the place shatter like when planets collide. A parallel life makes it possible to be supreme and dodge the obstacles on the field of dreams. I hop the rock and roll as I travel the distance. I'm a vision grabber with a passion for spitting. Hey yo, I see the light through these stain innovations. We all struggle hard and we manage to make it. The answer, my friend, is a handful of patience. If you're willing enough, then it's a matter of changing. Yo, I see the light through these stain innovations. We all struggle hard and we manage to make it. The answer, my friend, is a handful of patience. If you're willing enough, then it's a matter of change. Hey yo, we all gotta hustle, but cut me an inch of slack. It's nothing but simple math, it's a must that we bring it back. Love it to finish tracks, then just kick back and sip some. Inspired by the greatest, Big L and Big Pun. In this one, I'll be a real role model. I'm the leader of the pack, I take the lead, don't follow. And follow my dreams, even if it means I'm earning $30. Urban scholar, in the constant thirst for knowledge. To try and discern, never settle for average. Scheming with rhymes, and every step is so accurate. But sorry thing is, you ain't getting the half of it. I'm ready with eliminations and the tech is elaborate. Hey yo, I handle the pressure and rock instead of waiting. But sometimes I feel like stopping, get a proper education. I'm already late, but now the time is near. Cause I went through the fire as a high-tech